In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the GTA5.exe file for FiveM. Before you do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're trying to play FiveM, you will need to locate your GTA 5 directory so that FiveM knows where your game is installed, and this applies whether you bought GTA 5 through Steam, the Epic Games Launcher, or the Rockstar Games Launcher. One thing to note though, FiveM does require the legacy version of GTA 5. The enhanced version will not work, so make sure that you do have legacy installed. Now the method is pretty much the exact same on all platforms no matter what you're on. I personally have mine through the Epic Games Launcher, but you might have it through Steam or Rockstar, and once again, it does work the exact same, really. So essentially, open up whatever launcher you do have it on, select your library, and from here, go ahead and find the legacy version of GTA 5. Select like the three dots, or you can just right-click on it, and then select Manage, and then open up your game files folder or the install location by selecting the little folder icon on there. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Once you are in this page, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down until you find that exe file in here. Once you do go ahead and find that exe file, you're essentially good to go. This is the file that FiveM is asking for, and that really is it. The method is pretty much the exact same for all of these, and the way to get here is pretty much the exact same, and you can do this directly through here by just going to your PC, that drive, and then if you go into program files, all you need to go ahead and do is just find whatever launcher it is for you. So it might be Steam, it might be Rockstar. Open that up, find GTA 5, and then scroll down till you find that exe file. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. But before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.